Okay, I just wanted to give an update on my no-tie shoelaces for a couple pairs of shoes that I've had for a while, and I mountain bike with them and I work with them when I do yard work and stuff. This set I bought probably more than a year ago, and right from the very first time I got them, I took the original laces out and I put the no-tie shoelaces in them. And as you can see, they're pretty worn, but they're not that bad. I didn't wash them. Figured I'd keep it real. But if you look, the laces are still in nice shape. Still have a lot of stretch. And I can pop them on and off very easily. I freaking love them. These are Walmart shoes, probably like 15 bucks. Now these are also Walmart shoes, but I beat the crap out of these things. Again, I didn't wash these, but I think if I really wanted to wash these, this stuff would come out. But the shoes, as you can see, they're beat. I mountain bike with these things, and I work construction and yard work with these things. I bought them about the same, maybe a little bit before the gray ones, the other gray ones. So I've had them a little longer, and right from brand new, I installed these laces, and they're still holding out really well. And if I really wanted, if these shoes got destroyed, which maybe in the next year they will be, if I really wanted, I can just pop these laces off and put them in another set of shoes. So I'm digging it. I'm loving them. I'm really liking them. So there's my report on no-tie stretchy shoelaces from Erkies as far as the durability goes. Comfort, beautiful, beautiful thing, and they're basically slip-ons. I don't have to untie them. I just pop them on, pull them off, and you're good to go.